Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you will be well. Today was Sunday, so obviously we would make something non-veg, and children also have a request to make something good as they are at home today. So I thought I would make mutton gravy in Desi style, which is a little dry. So here I have taken 300 grams of mutton and washed it thoroughly. So first of all we will marinate this mutton and keep it for 1 hour. For marination, grind some spices. Like here I have 300 grams of mutton, so we will take 1 tomato, 2 to 3 green chilies and a little coriander, 8 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and half spoon of salt, and grind it adding some water. Now add this mixture to the mutton. Add 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, juice of 1 large lemon, and mix it well. When it is mixed well, we will cover it and keep it in the fridge or outside for 1 hour. Till then we will cut the onions, so here I have taken 5 big onions. You can take more or less onions as per your choice. If you add less onions, then the gravy will be thin, and if you add more onions, then the gravy will be thick and a little sweet too. So take onion as per your taste. We have to cut them into slices. Put 3 tablespoons of oil in the cooker. You can take more or less oil as per your choice. Let the oil become medium hot and add the whole spices in it. Like 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 7 to 8 black peppers, 4-5 cloves, 2 to 3 small pieces of cinnamon and 1 badian flower. Let these spices cook in hot oil for 5 to 10 seconds so that they release their fragrance. We should not overcook it, otherwise it will burn. Now we will add chopped onion in it and fry this onion on medium flame until it turns pinkish red. We have to take care that onion should not become too red, otherwise our gravy will become darker. When our onion becomes pinkish red, add mutton in this onion and fry the mutton well. Mutton has to be cooked while stirring occasionally so that all the spices get cooked properly and there is no rawness in it. If necessary, add a little water and cook it. Now here you can see that our gravy has been cooked well. The spices have left the oil, so it means that the spices have been cooked well. Now we will add 2 big glasses of water in it and lid the pressure cooker. We will let it cook for 6 to 7 whistles. Here I am adding potatoes in it. Potatoes are optional. Here all the air has come out of pressure cooker. So let us open it and see. So you can see our mutton is 70 to 80% cooked. Now we will add cut potatoes in it and add half cup of water, because again we will cook it till 3 whistles so that the potatoes get cooked and some gravy also remain. So see how delicious our mutton gravy is made, quickly in Desi and simple style. If you are tired of eating mutton prepared in a regular style, then try this recipe. It's prepared quickly and its taste is also very different from the regular one. So to see more such recipes, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.